What if I told you that a single square meter of soil right outside your window could feed your family for an entire month? And the shocking part? 80% of people who try home gardening quit within the first 60 days, not because gardening is hard, but because nobody told them these secrets. Today, that changes. Here's the truth nobody posts on Instagram. Every year, millions of people around the world buy seeds, dig up their backyards, plant with excitement, and then watch everything slowly die. The tomatoes rot before they ripen. The spinach bolts in the heat. The cucumbers come out bitter. And the gardener? They blame themselves. I just don't have a green thumb, they say. But here's what the experts know, and what the seed companies will never tell you: there is no such thing as a green thumb. There is only green knowledge. And right now, you're about to get it. Studies show that over 67% of first-time home gardeners make the same 3 fatal mistakes. Mistake number 1, they plant the wrong things at the wrong time. Planting tomatoes in cold soil is like trying to start a fire in the rain. It won't work, no matter how hard you try. Every plant has a sweet spot, a temperature, a season, a moment. Miss it, and you've already lost. Mistake number 2, they overwater. I know what you're thinking. More water equals more growth. Wrong. Dead wrong. Overwatering is the #1 killer of home gardens worldwide. Roots need air just as much as they need water. When soil stays too wet, roots suffocate, and the plant drowns from the inside out. Mistake number 3, they ignore the soil. Here's a fact that will blow your mind: 1 tablespoon of healthy soil contains more living organisms than there are people on Earth. Your soil is alive. And if you treat it like dirt, literally, your garden will fail every single time. Okay. Now for the good stuff. These are the tips that professional growers use, and they work whether you have a massive farm or just a few pots on a balcony. Hack 1, the finger test, saves your plants every time. Before you water, stick your finger TWO inches into the soil. If it feels moist, walk away. If it's dry, water deeply. That's it. No expensive gadgets. Just your finger. Hack 2, the banana peel trick. Don't throw away your banana peels. Bury them directly beside your tomato and pepper plants. Banana peels are loaded with potassium, the exact nutrient that makes fruits grow big, sweet, and fast. It's free fertilizer hiding in your kitchen bin right now. Hack 3, companion planting. This one sounds like gardening magic, but it's pure science. Plant basil next to your tomatoes. It repels insects and actually improves the flavor of the fruit. Plant marigolds around your vegetables. They release a chemical that keeps destructive nematodes out of your soil. Nature already has a system. Your job is to work with it. Hack 4, the 3-bucket watering method. If you live in a hot climate, and you're tired of watching your plants wilt by midday, try this. Water your plants in 3 rounds, early morning, not at noon. First, a light pass. Wait 5 minutes. Second, a deeper soak. Wait 10 minutes. Third, a final slow drip at the base. This trains roots to grow down, deep into the soil, where moisture stays longer. Plants watered this way survive drought twice as well as plants watered once. Hack 5, eggshells as armor. Crush dried eggshells and scatter them around the base of your plants. Slugs and snails, 2 of the most destructive garden pests, will not cross a line of eggshells. The sharp edges cut their soft bodies. It's a completely natural, zero-cost pest barrier. And as a bonus, as they break down, eggshells release calcium directly into your soil. Let me tell you about a woman named Grace. Grace lives in a small apartment in Lagos, Nigeria. No backyard. No farmland. Just a narrow balcony, about 2 meters wide. Using nothing but old paint buckets, free kitchen compost, and the companion planting method I just showed you, Grace grew enough tomatoes, peppers, and leafy greens in any season to cut her monthly food bill by nearly half. She didn't have expensive tools. She didn't have perfect soil. She just had the right knowledge, applied consistently. And the most powerful thing Grace told me? I used to think gardening was for people with land. Now I know, gardening is for anyone with patience and a little bit of knowledge. That's it. That's the whole secret. Here is the one truth I want you to take away from this video today: your garden doesn't fail because of bad luck. It fails because of missing information. The soil under your feet, whether it's in a pot, a raised bed, or a tiny corner of your yard, that soil is not empty. It is full of potential. Full of life. Every great garden in the world started as a patch of dirt that someone decided to understand. You now know what most gardeners will never learn. The finger test. The banana peel method. Companion planting. The 3-bucket watering system. Eggshell barriers. Start small. Stay consistent. Trust the process. Your garden is waiting. If this video saved your garden, or your grocery bill, smash that like button right now. And if you want more secrets like these every single week, secrets that farmers spend years learning, hit subscribe and turn on notifications. Because next week, we're covering the one soil mistake that kills 90% of vegetable gardens in the first month, and exactly how to fix it in under 10 minutes. You don't want to miss that one.